Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into the word about. This adverb might seem simple, but it's incredibly useful in English and has a range of meanings, especially for expressing an approximate amount, distance, or time. Let's start with what about means. When we say about, we're usually indicating something is nearly, almost, or close to being accurate, but not exact. For example, if someone says, "I'll be there at about 3 p.m., they're implying they'll arrive close to 3 p.m., but they might be a few minutes early or late. In other words, it's not a precise time, but it's close enough. Let's look at some synonyms. Instead of about, you might hear almost or nearly in similar contexts. For example, if you're trying to guess the number of people at an event, you could say, "There are about 50 people here," or you might say, "There are nearly 50 people here." Both give that same sense of approximation. Another synonym is approximately. So if you're estimating a distance, you might say, "It's about 5 miles away," or "It's approximately 5 miles away." These words all communicate a similar idea that something is close but not exact. On the other hand, antonyms for about include words like exactly and precisely. If you want to communicate a specific time, you'd say, "I'll arrive exactly at 3 p.m., meaning you plan to arrive right on it. If someone asks you to give a specific count, you might say, "There are precisely 50 people here," indicating no room for estimation. Now, let's consider how about is used in everyday life. If you're talking about time, distance, or quantity but don't need to be exact, about is a great choice. For instance, if you're making plans with a friend, you could say, "Let's meet at about 6 p.m. Or, if you're planning a trip, you might say, "The plane is about 2 hours. It's also common to use about when referring to quantities, like, "There are about 10 slices of pizza left." Here are a few more examples. "We have about 15 minutes until the movie starts." "She has about 3 years of experience in that field." "The book is about 200 pages long." So, to sum it all up, about is a versatile adverb that helps you communicate estimates or approximations without needing to be precise. It's useful for talking about time, distance, quantity, and more. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word about and feel confident using it in your own conversations. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And before you go, I encourage you to create your own sentence using about and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with.